Still on judicial matters, the Lagos High Court has upheld the enthronement of Rilwan Akinolu as the Oba of Lagos. Justice Adebowale Candide John declared that two aggrieved princes failed to prove that the succession process was illegal. Kemifola Adeyemo has more.
Adedoyin Adebiyi and Rashid Modile, both princes of the Akinsemoyin ruling family in Lagos, had stated that they were among the three names nominated to become king in 2003. This after the death of Oba Adeyinka Oyekon II. They stated that it had been agreed at a 1976 Lagos State panel of inquiry into the succession tussle that it was their turn by rotation to produce the next monarch. They say Oba Akinolu was illegally enthroned and that it was done in infringement of the customary 90-day period to mourn a dead king. But in Friday's judgment, Justice Candide Johnson said there was nothing to prove that succession will now be rotational, as the claimants admitted that they had never seen or read the report.
That report is not within the ambit of the claimant's custody. The report is alleged by the claimant with the government, and in the course of trial, the claimant did issue a subpoena to the government to produce those reports. But to the best knowledge of the government, they know why they did not produce those reports.
The claimants also couldn't show that the 90-day custom still exists, as Oba Akinolu had argued that it was now within the discretion of kingmakers to choose the next king among interested princes. The judge declared that the Akinsemoyin family also flouted the same rule by presenting the names of the claimants to the kingmakers within the period of mourning. The judge said the court couldn't override established customs and tradition recognized under the Lagos customary law. The claimants also failed to base their claims that Oba Akinolu wasn't a descendant of Ologun Kutere, a former Oba. Instead, Oba Akinolu showed that Akinolu was one of Oba Kutere's children in whose lineage he belongs. The judge, however, turned down the request by the defense to award costs against the claimants in the 16-year-old case, saying the contending families are all related to the first Oba of Lagos, Ado, who emerged in 1690.
We support the way Oba Akinolu became the Oba, that all the processes leading to his nomination, confirmation and installation is satisfying to us. If the court has finally decided to award costs, it will pain those that lost. And that's why I didn't ask for costs.
Should the claimants desire to appeal this judgment, they will have a Herculean task. I'm sure the judgment is waiting for them.
Despite the outcome, parties are being advised to reconcile and settle the more than 200-year-old rifts dividing them. Kemifola Adeyemo, TVC News, Lagos.